In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add friends on the Duolingo app. This is pretty straightforward, but sometimes people have a hard time finding where you have to add your friends. So to go ahead and add a friend, you can see all those options at the bottom. You have those colorful circles, and then the next one is a picture of a lady's head. What you want to do is tap on that lady's head, and then that's going to take you to this page, and it's going to look like this with your profile name at the top, your picture and your streak and everything like that. Then you just want to scroll down a little bit to the friends section, and you can see an option there that says add friends. Go ahead and tap on add friends. Now there's various ways that you can go ahead and add a friend on the Duolingo app. You can add them by email, their name or their username. You can add them by Facebook, or you can add them by an invite code. So if you know the name of the person you want to add, you can just go ahead in the search bar, type the person's name, hit search, and then you can find them within this list. And then you want to tap on that plus icon with the little man in blue. That's going to go ahead and add them as a friend. So that would be how you add them, by searching for their name. Then you can go ahead, if you want to connect your Facebook as well, find your Facebook friends and learn languages with them. Or you can go ahead to the invite tab, and you can invite them with a text message and things like that. So that's pretty straightforward and simple. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Duolingo tips.